Today in this video we are going to see about the cubing of two digits number, which is type 4. That is about the different number, that is the tens place and ones place. If both are different, how I can cube those numbers, we are going to look into in this video. So when we have here 23 cube, okay, so when you write it here, so for this there is a little bit of logic behind it. So let me explain this, then I'll explain you the logic also. So first I will be writing over here 2 cube, then 2 square, okay, then you will write 2 power 1, then 2 power 0, which is nothing, 1. So then next I'll start here with 3 cube, then into 3 square, then into 3. So those things we will be writing here. So when we write out those numbers here, I'll be getting here 8, then here 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12, then 3 into 3 9, and 2s are 18, then 3 cube, which is 27. Then as usual what you will do, you have to double up the center number, you are going to double up there. So when I double the center number, I'll get here 36, I'll get here 24, I will be getting here. Now you are going to add them up. So when you add them up, I'll get here 7 and this 2 will get carry over towards here 10, 16, 6 and 1 gets carry over 4 and 5. So this 5 gets carry over towards here 9, 10, 11, 1 and 1 gets carry over, then 3 and 4. This 4 gets carry over towards here, you will be getting here 12. So now I'll be getting here 23 cube is equal to 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. So leave off these numbers. You write 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Those numbers only I'm going to write out here. So now I'm going to explain the logic behind this. So when you look into the logic behind this, in higher classes, most of you would have learned about the a plus b, the whole cube identity. So based on that identity only it works here. So a plus b, the whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube you're having here, right? So instead of that numbers, we are only writing here as a cube, b cube, and we will be writing those values. We are not including this 3 here. We are writing here a square b and a b square alone we are writing over here. So other ways also you can remember easily. So when you have two numbers, right? For example, we had here 23 cube. Okay, so the first number what we are writing here, you can write it here 2 cube, then 2 square, then 2 power 1. You're writing here 2 power 0, which becomes as 1. So I'm not going to write down here. Then you can start from the end. You can write as 3 cube, then into 3 square, then into 3, then into 3 power 0. That 3 power 0, it's not required over here. Based on that logic, it works out over here. So now let's see one more problem to make out very clear on this scenario. So now I'm going to take here 42 cube, I'm going to take it here. So now remember carefully what I'm going to do it over here. So first number is what? 4, that is the tens place. So I will be writing here as 4 cube, okay, then 4 square, then 4 power 1, okay. I'm not going to 4 power 0 because that is 1. So that is why I'm not writing that 4 power 0. Then you have it here 2 cube. So you start from here 2 cube. Then next 2 square. Put into and write 2 square. Then write here into 2 power 1. Then this 2 power 0, I'm not going to write it. So now it is hope very clear what I am doing over here. Yes, now 4 cube. So 4 cube, when I write it over here, I will be getting here 64. Then 4 square is 16. 16 into 2, you will get 32. Then 4 into 4, which is 16. Then 2 cube, which is 8. Then what you're going to do, you're going to double up the center numbers. You're going to double up. When you double up the center number, 16 into 2, you'll be getting here 32. 32 into 2, you'll be getting here 64. You will be getting here. Okay. Then now I will be adding up the values. I'll be getting here 8. Then here 6, 7, 8. Then I'll get this 4. This 4 gets carried over towards here. 8, 10, 0 and 1. So you will be getting again here as 10. So this 10 totally will get carried over towards here. So I'll be getting here 4 and 7. So now my answer for 42 cube will be here 74088. So it is very easy now students. When you practice up, you will feel very easy. This will be very much helpful in your competitive examinations or Olympiad, in your school examination, wherever you have it in cubing numbers. Like in compound interest, you will have very big numbers of to cube it up, right? So in that case, you can develop using this method. When you practice only, you'll be able to get. So practice makes the man perfect. Okay, keep that in your mind. Keep practicing. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye students. Take care.